Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door gasket in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door gasket. Both French door gaskets are identical. They provide an airtight seal, preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. If you are experiencing a higher than normal temperature inside the fresh food section and condensation buildup on the interior, check the door gasket and replace it if needed. Alright folks, we've got two identical gaskets, as I mentioned earlier, on both French doors. We're going to show you how to replace the right side because of this flapper door. It will be a little bit more difficult. Alright, so I'm going to peel the gasket out, and we'll have a groove here. I'm going to insert my beautiful flat blade screwdriver in, and I'm going to start prying out the gasket from the groove. Right, we're going to continue on from here, pulling this gasket out. And I can continue to pull it out. This is the old refrigerator door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to bring in the gasket, and I'm going to place it on. These little flappers here on this side are facing outside the door. It's going to be into the divider here. So we are at the bottom of the French door here on this side, where we're going to install the gasket. I would like you to look at this corner here. You will see the three little magnets in there. That's very important that you have those magnets. They are participating in closing the door. If you don't have them, you can order them and install them. Now we're going to continue on with the installation of the gasket. Alright, so I'm going to show you how we install the gasket. There is the ridge here at the back of the gasket, all around it, that will be installed into this groove here on the door. Before installing it, make sure that the groove is clean, there's no oil or grease. If there is something, use soapy warm water and a sponge, clean it and dry it before installing a new gasket. I'm going to match the corners and start pressing it in from the corners. Use your thumbs to place it in. You will feel how it goes in. So I'm going to continue on both sides. The same thing, insert it in the corners and the bottom. Alright, now I'm going to open the flapper door, and we'll see how the gasket is sitting on the flapper. It should be a very tight seal, and we've got it. I'm going to put it down and close the door, and I'm going to check how the gasket is sitting all around. If you have a little bit of the irregularities, if you see there's something it's not touching properly, like tight, you can adjust it with your finger. Just push it in, because the magnet inside the gasket will adjust itself. Unless you have like a real large openings, then you need to use the heat gun and heat that area and then attach it. In our case, it's a perfect fit. I'm going to look from the bottom. It's perfect. Now we're going to close all the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.